Here's how I got dark chocolate out of this carpet. At first I used a spot cleaner, but it wasn't enough. And here's what it looked like after the carpet cleaner. Still obviously there, we need another solution. So what I have here is this is a DIY cleaner, and it consists of 1 teaspoon of Dawn dish soap, 2 cups of isopropyl alcohol, and 1 cup of warm water. So I mixed it all together, put it in a spray bottle, and apparently dark chocolate is a lot harder to get out of carpet than regular chocolate. I am going to go ahead and spray this on. And you don't want to spray it terribly too much, but you want to soak it. And I'm going to leave that for about 5-10 minutes or so. And I'm going to come back and I'm going to use this, just the dry vacuum portion, to see if I can suck it up. But I'm going to spray it one more time, and I think we're making some progress. There we go. Let that sit for another 10-15 minutes and we'll see what happens. All right, so we put another round of spray on here. The good news is that before I even vacuum it, looks like I can't even see it. Hardly. I can kind of see it, but let's go ahead and vacuum it up here. All right, and here's the final result. Looks like it's basically gone here. I'm really glad I was able to find something that was able to get rid of the chocolate stain. And not only a chocolate stain, because I've seen people put up videos about chocolate stains, but this is the dark chocolate. For some reason, when it got on the carpet, it was like more melted, and then it kind of like crusted over, so it needed something to kind of de-oil, degrease, break it down. So I guess that's what it did. So I hope this helped out, and check out the next vid, guys.